Closing deals can feel tricky sometimes, right? But the truth is, there are certain strategies that consistently help agents succeed, and a few common mistakes that can actually hurt your chances. Today, I'm breaking down both sides so you can close more deals and keep clients happy. Let's start with what helps. Knowing your client's goals inside and out. Take time to understand what your buyer or seller really wants. Price, timeline, and must-haves. This is going to build trust and show that you care about more than just a commission. Communicate proactively. Keep your clients updated every step. Even a quick text or call can make a huge difference. Clients love knowing they're not being left in the dark. Be prepared and knowledgeable. Know the market, the comps, the neighborhood. Being the expert instills confidence and helps clients make decisions faster. Guide and don't pressure. Help clients understand options and consequences without pushing. Buyers and sellers respond better when they feel in control, guided by your expertise. And follow up consistently. Whether it's a potential buyer touring homes or seller considering offers, a quick follow-up makes you top of mind and helps move things forward. Now, things to avoid. Over-promising. Don't guarantee outcomes you can't control. It erodes your trust and can create disappointment. Poor communication. Not returning calls or emails quickly is a deal killer. Even if there's no news, a simple update matters. Ignoring client concerns. Every question is valid. Don't dismiss it, address it thoughtfully. Or rushing the process. Pushing clients to make decisions too quickly can make them more hesitant and anxious. Patience is key to closing successfully. Failure to follow up. Deals are won in the follow-up. Ignoring a lead or forgetting to check in will let those opportunities slip away. The takeaway, closing more deals comes down to being prepared, communicative, and client-focused, while avoiding common missteps that will undermine trust. If you found this helpful, like this video, subscribe for more real estate tips, and drop a comment with your own strategies that help you close more deals.